Hello, namaste. Me Ipsa, this is Ipsa Education Channel, Physics, Chemistry, Maths. What are we doing today? We are doing, you can see, we are doing some physics today. This is not, we are doing light chapter uh, from physics, and उसमें भी specifically numericals on convex lens. हमने एक और वीडियो किया है जिसमें न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ही लिया है, बट वो थोड़े से सिंपल क्वेश्चंस थे. आज हम जो ले रहे हैं वो थोड़े से कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होंगे, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो हियर इज़ द क्वेश्चन एंड हियर इज़ सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ व्हाट कॉन्वेक्स लेंसेज या क्या फॉर्मूले होते हैं, उनका मीनिंग क्या होता है. ओके, so if you remember, that is the shape of convex lens. I wanted to tell you before we start something important about magnification and of both the lenses, concave, convex. Magnification and to the two lenses, convex, concave. तो ये आपको नंबर लाइन तो पता है ना, जैसे जो 4th 5th में सिखाते हैं 0 1 2, या ग्राफ जो होता है 0 -1 -2 ऐसे. So I am making that number line, or you can say I am making that graph kind of x-axis. Okay, so I have made the x-axis of graph where this is where the y-axis would lie. Okay, now after researching, they realized, us, the teachers or the scientists, they realized that this section, 0 to 1 section, belongs only to concave lens. मतलब कभी भी 0.2 कॉन्वेक्स का नहीं होगा, कभी भी 0.8 कॉन्वेक्स का नहीं होगा. अगर 0.2, 0.5, 0.7 है मैग्निफिकेशन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मैग्निफिकेशन. ओके, अगर मैग्निफिकेशन इतना है, इट हैज़ टू बी डन बाय अ कॉन्केव लेंस, और कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ऐसा नहीं कर पाएगा. सो दिस बिलोंग्स टू कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. जो बाकी का एरिया है, now the remaining area from here to infinity and from 0 to infinity belongs to these two parts, except for 0 to 1. Except 0 to 1 belongs to concave lens, and these two lines, these two infinite portions, मतलब +1 से ज़्यादा, +1.5, +2, +3, they all belong to, and 0.5, -1, -0.5, -1, -2, they all belong to convex lens. Okay, hope this is clear कि 0 to 1 belongs to only concave lens. Another thing is, though I have written here, but sometimes it's better to understand from the number line. See this section. What section is it? This is from -1 to 1. If any magnification is from -1 to 1, यहाँ पे कहीं हो 0.5, 0.7, -0.5, minus something, मतलब 0.1, 0.8, then the image is small. वो कोई भी लेंस बना रहा हो, but the image between these two places will be small, always diminished. और इसके बाद का जो एरिया है, image will be big. Here also the image will be big. Okay, 2 things done. 0 to 1 में concave lens, -1 to 1 में small image. Now last thing कि रियल वर्चुअल और real virtual नहीं, real inverted and virtual erect. So any portion which is positive, zero से आगे होगा, that is always virtual erect. And here from zero, all negative numbers will always be real and inverted. So if you can remember this diagram or understand this diagram, remember तो करने की तो ज़रूरत नहीं होती, but अगर आप इसको समझ सको, then it will be very simple and you can check your answers also based on this. Okay, so you can copy down this and just ponder over it. मतलब थोड़ा बैठ के ऐसे सोचो ये क्या है, ये क्या है, और जब तक आपके ब्रेन में रजिस्टर नहीं हो जाए ना, keep looking at it. It is very nice and very helpful. ठीक है. Now let's go to the main question that we are supposed to do. Okay, let's read a convex lens. Okay, good. उन्होंने पहले ही convex lens दे दिया है. Convex lens का फोकस किस तरफ होता है? हमने किया हुआ है बहुत बार. Convex lens का फोकस होता है राइट साइड को. करेक्ट? Focus. One second. So if I have a convex lens, we'll draw a rough diagram, right? That helps us. Convex lens का focus and center of curvature around इतना बना दिया. The moment they said convex lens, we know that this diagram is to be used. Okay, we've used convex and we'll write the 6 things that we always write. ये हम पहले से ही लिख देते हैं so that it is little helpful to know कि वो क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. Okay, produces a magnification of +4. So the magnification is, I'll just write it in a minute. It's little wet. Magnification is +4. Now even if they're not given convex, अभी जो हमने नंबर लाइन की थी उसमें क्या था? 0 to 1 was concave और 1 के आगे आगे सब क्या था? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. तो अगर उन्होंने कॉन्वेक्स ही नहीं दिया होता तो भी हमें पता था कि दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, रिमेंबर दे टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. ऐसे था ना 0, 1, दिस वाज कॉन्केव सेक्शन and from here onwards it was convex section. So because it is +4, यहाँ कहीं होगा, तो this will have to be convex. Okay, then let's read ahead. Magnification of +4. When the image is produced 20 centimeter from it means from the lens. Image is produced 20 centimeter means what? V, image का distance, distance is 20. Now we have to put the sign. प्लस का मतलब क्या था? इधर का मतलब क्या था? That side of the magnification was real and virtual. Sorry, virtual and erect. It was, अगर प्लस में जाता था कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, it meant virtual and erect. इसकी virtual side कौन सी थी हमने किया था? This was the virtual side and this was the real side. Remember? Now this means virtual and erect. Image is virtual and erect. तो ये image कहाँ बनेगी? यहाँ बनेगी कि यहाँ बनेगी? वर्चुअल इरेक्ट है ना, तो इस साइड बनेगी ऑब्वियसली, यहाँ नहीं बनेगी. ओके, सो लेट्स मेक द V पार्ट हियर एंड दिस बिकम्स 20. आई होप दिस इज फाइन. It was +4, which means virtual and erect. virtual side is to this side, left side, and because the image is 20, it will be here. And now, because it is on this side, the sign will be negative. Please understand this section carefully because there are a lot of implications that we have taken. कैलकुलेशन कुछ नहीं किए, सिर्फ इससे होगा तो ऐसे होगा, ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे होगा, मतलब ऐसे कर रहा है, इसलिए so just understand this nicely. Okay, so v is minus 20 and we have got approximate places. Now what do you have to find? That is all the information. Focal length of first focal length. So first thing we have to find is the focal length. Now let's look at the formula where we have m, v and f. Let's come here. M, V, F. F है M, एक नहीं है इसमें से, M है, ये तो कुछ है ही नहीं, एक है इसमें से. So probably we can use this or this. दोनों में कुछ ना कुछ अलग ही आएगा. This is simpler to use. This looks simpler to use. तो हम ये वाला use कर लेते हैं. M is equal to V by U. So first thing I'm doing, वो F वाला थोड़ा सा मुझे डिफिकल्ट लगता है कैलकुलेशन के लिए. सो आई एम यूजिंग m is equal to v by u. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला आई एम टेकिंग. वाई? क्योंकि मुझे m भी पता है, v भी पता है, मैं u कैलकुलेट कर सकती हूँ. दो चीज़ें पता है, एक अननोन है. ओके, m is 4, v is minus 20 and u is u. So u becomes minus 5 सेंटीमीटर. अब ऑब्जेक्ट -5 हो सकता है क्या? ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस -5 हो सकता है, हाँ, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा इस तरफ रखा जाता है, लेफ्ट साइड को, और जो भी लेफ्ट साइड होती है वो नेगेटिव होती है. अब ये 20 है तो करीब ये u होगा, विच इज 5. आई नो इट्स बिकम टू स्मॉल, बट दिस विल बी the object and here will be the image. We'll make the image later. Okay, first thing we've solved. Now we also need to find the image distance. Image distance, we already know the image distance. Image distance क्या होता है? Or maybe I'll make it image. What can we make? Okay, we have not found the focal length yet. We had to find the focal length which we have not found yet. So unically, now what all we have? We have u, we have v. Can we find f? Yes, we can find f. This is the formula that we can use for finding f. And iska bhi translated version, that f is equal to, I had told you earlier also, f is equal to uv upon u minus v. We can use this because we have u, v and f हमें ढूंढना ही है, तो there's no difficulty. So f is equal to -5 into -20 right. So f becomes, what should be the value of f जो हम कैलकुलेट करें, वो पॉजिटिव आनी चाहिए कि नेगेटिव आनी चाहिए? देखो इस तरफ क्या होता है ना, एफ सी कहाँ है? राइट साइड पे, राइट साइड पॉजिटिव. सो ये आंसर जो हमारा आना चाहिए ना, वो पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी क्या आ रहा है. -5 into 20, so this becomes 100 upon 15. So see, it is positive, but yes, the values are not very accurate. But accurate मतलब perfect numbers नहीं है, fractions हैं, but that is okay. So the focal length is 20 by 3 centimeter, or you can say approximately 7 centimeter. Okay, little less than 7, but 7. Now let's mark the focus here. Okay, so this was u. This would, I'll make another diagram for this. My finger is the third eraser that I have. So this is the lens. This is where the focus should be there. We saw that this is the image at -20. We saw that the object is here, which is -5, and we saw that -7 pe we have focus. I hope now it is clear. No, +5 pe we have, +7 pe we have focus. Of course, you can't have focus here, so it is +7 where you have the focus. Okay, we have done all this. Here also the Nakli focus, whatever the Nakli focus, is at 7, -7 or 7. Now, what kind of case is it? Which case is it in a convex lens? अगर हम याद करें the 6 images that we are supposed to learn or understand, ये कौन सा वाला case है? This is the case. Where is the object? The object is in between focus and optical center. Fine. Oh, so sorry. But anyways, the object is between focus and optical center. इस केस में क्या होता था? इस केस में हमेशा virtual erect magnified. Again, I'm saying virtual erect and magnified image बनती थी. Can you recollect? When the object is between focus and the lens, the image is always magnified, virtual, erect. So let's see what else can we do. You have to predict the properties of the image. अच्छा, तो 3 तो हमने ऐसे ही बता दी. Why? Because हमने कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं किया, सिर्फ इसकी पोजीशन देख के ही बता दिया कि the image will be okay, let it be. I'll just say it orally. The image will be virtual, erect and magnified. Why? Because the object is between these 2 points, F and O. And what is the position of the image? The image is behind the object. It is behind the object on the virtual side. Virtual side पे है और object के पीछे. So this becomes the description of the image. Hope ये समझ आ गया होगा. Hope ये magnification वाला line समझ आ गया होगा. That's it. Okay, now I'll quickly write another question and be back. Okay, so we are back with the second numerical. We'll quickly do it. Okay. Before that, let me make the number line for a little recap. तो आप उसमें से रेफर कर सकते हो in case you want to. तो अगर ये नंबर लाइन थी मैग्निफिकेशन की, तो हमने क्या किया था? अगर 0 से 1 तक है, so this section was concave lens, and from here onwards it was convex, and from here onwards -1 all this was convex lens. एक तो ये बात की थी, और एक और चीज़ की थी कि from here onwards it's real and inverted. From here onwards it was virtual and erect. Okay, there was one more thing that we did कि -1 से 1 तक this section will, the image will be small. Image would be small. So these 3 things we did from number line. Number line of what? Number line of magnification. I hope you remember this. आज ही किया है. So this is just for a recap so that you can use it in this question. Okay, let's start reading it. An object put 15 centimeter from a lens. Okay, so they haven't mentioned the lens. We can't assume convex, we can't assume concave. So we don't know how to make the diagram. So what should we do? So we'll make a random box instead of a lens where we don't know what is it. It's like a black box, which is we don't know what is inside it. 15 centimeter from a lens. Object 15 centimeter from the lens. Now object is always this side, right? So we'll make an object which is at 15 centimeter. Fine. Now because it is here, we put a negative sign because it is on the left side. फिर हम करेंगे from a lens makes an inverted image. Where is the inverted image? This side is always real and inverted, and here it's virtual and erect. Okay, so the image forms on this side. Why? Because the image is inverted, so it forms on the right side. Okay, then at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens, right side and 10 centimeter. So it's probably somewhere here. 10 is this is the image position. Value 10 image position की और sign will be positive क्योंकि right hand side को है तो ये हो जाएगा positive. Now we have these two things from the question. What do we have to find? H dash by h, focal length and properties. We have to find h dash by h. नहीं h दिया है नहीं कुछ दिया है. How will we find h dash by h? See the formulas that are given. How will we find h dash by h? See, h dash by h is a complete thing with self. उसके लिए या तो मैग्निफिकेशन पता हो या फिर उसके लिए we should know v by u. Now obviously मैग्निफिकेशन तो दिया नहीं है. v by u से we can calculate the h dash by h. So let's apply the formula. v by u is equal to h dash. That implies h dash by h is v 10 upon minus 15, that is minus 2 by 3. So the ratio of image and object is 2 by 3. Okay, image and object is minus 2 by 3. Now what does it tell you? This value, what does it tell you? Okay, let's convert it into decimal so that it can help. Now negative sign for h dash या for m. This is also as m. H dash upon h is same as m. Now m value minus 0.7 tells us what? This is the minus area. This is 0. No, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is something. So it is this side of 0. And this side of 0 means convex lens. So one thing we come to know कि okay, convex lens के बारे में बात हो रही है. From the sign we come to know it is convex lens. एक और चीज़ बताता है कि ये inverted image होगी जो उन्होंने पहले ही बता दिया है. It will be an inverted image, it will be real image. Okay, what does this 0.7 tell us? They tell independently. Negative tells अलग चीज़ है and number tells अलग चीज़ है. Negative ने बता दिया convex lens है. 0.7 tells us what? 0.7, where is it? 0.7 is between 0 and 1. Right? It will be somewhere. Oh, I don't want to write because it will be somewhere here. अब ये हो गया diminished. Remember, यहाँ से यहाँ तक छोटी image बनती थी. ये हो गई छोटी image. Okay, so let's write convex lens, real, inverted, diminished. तो हमने 2-3 चीज़ें तो diminish. I don't know what I've written, but just understand that this is diminished. Okay, this we have found, and we found the ratio of height is to height. Now the second thing that they asked was, I think, focal length. Very easy to find focal length. We have these two things, u and v. We'll use the first formula in a different way. This is the formula. We'll find f is equal to minus 15 into 10 minus 15 minus 10. That comes out to be minus 15 So focal length comes out to be plus 6 centimeter. Now this focal length positive also tells us कि ये convex lens है. तो confirm हो गया क्योंकि focus positive किसकी होती है? Convex lens से. तो हम ये हटा के now we can put a proper convex lens and this is the focus. Here also जो नकली फोकस होगा वो कहीं यहाँ पे होगा, राइट, एंड जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर होगा वो 12 पे होगा. ये 6, ये 12 पे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, राइट, एंड जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो 15 पे, 6 पे फोकस, 12 पे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट 15. नाउ अगेन वी कैन स्टिल predict the properties of the image from here also. See, which case is it? That the object is between infinity and center. The object is beyond center of curvature. It's between infinity and center. In this case, what happens? In this case, the image is formed, real inverted, and between focus and center of curvature. So here, the focus is here at 6 and the center of curvature is here at 12. So the image has formed in between, and in this case the image is smaller also. So all the things we have found here, we can add the image is between F and C. So in many ways, a lot of symbols, a lot of signs, positive, negative, and a lot of numbers, they help us to know a lot of things. So it's better to understand not only these numbers, the calculations, but हर चीज़ का meaning. M minus है तो क्या हुआ, H minus है तो क्या हुआ, all the things also. Okay, thank you.